Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. If you're interested in personal finance and investing, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into Morningstar's financial planning tools, specifically those found at morningstar.com/en-us/products/financial-planning. Morningstar is a reputable resource for investment research and portfolio management, but they also offer robust planning tools to help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply trying to manage your budget more effectively, Morningstar's suite of planning tools can provide valuable insights. Navigating to morningstar.com/en-us/products/financial-planning provides access to their various planning resources. These tools can assist with a variety of financial objectives, from building a comprehensive retirement plan to managing investment portfolios tailored to your individual risk tolerance. The platform likely includes features like retirement calculators, investment analysis tools, and potentially even access to financial advisors. While we can't explore every specific feature within this video, we encourage you to visit the website yourself and discover how Morningstar's planning tools can benefit your personal financial journey. You can explore different investment strategies, analyze potential portfolio performance, and gain a clearer understanding of your current financial standing. Remember that financial planning is a dynamic process, and Morningstar's resources are designed to empower you to make informed decisions every step of the way. Exploring their site can provide a significant boost to your financial literacy and allow you to take control of your future. Remember, understanding your finances is crucial for achieving long-term financial well-being. Morningstar offers a range of tools to empower individuals to take charge of their financial future. Visiting their financial planning section at the URL mentioned earlier provides a great starting point. They may offer various planning packages or subscription levels, so be sure to research the options available to find the best fit for your individual needs. From basic budgeting to sophisticated investment strategies, Morningstar aims to provide the resources you need to succeed. So, head over to their website and begin exploring the possibilities. Don't forget to check out the rest of our channel for more financial tips and insights.